Let's say you're a new teacher and you have no idea where to get started using ChatGPT or even what to do with your classroom. And let's say you're a kindergarten teacher. Let's go over to ChatGPT and give it a prompt on classroom management, restorative practices, and student learning outcomes. Here's the prompt and the context. The context is pretty simple. You're a kindergarten teacher and you're new. The prompt is I'm looking to establish effective classroom routines, promote student learning, and create engaging lessons. My classroom includes a diverse group of students with varying levels of literacy skills. Some are already reading, some know their letters and sounds, and some are just beginning. I need a 30-day plan for classroom management routines that are inviting and fun, incorporating restorative practices to foster a positive learning environment. Let's try it. Now, remember, the prompt is in the description. You can grab it, and you can also grab the prompt PDF. It's free for you. Just you can have fun with it. It's a kind of a formula. And it's giving what I like about this is it's breaking it up in weeks and giving you the days in the weeks instead of like 30 things. And it's ideas, morning circles, classroom tour, norms and expectations, fun activities, restorative practice, create a classroom agreement together. Yes, you can do that in kindergarten. This is actually amazing. So you could, and I will, go ahead and throw this in the description, especially if you're a kindergarten teacher, you can have it. But you can also recreate this and change the prompt. You can grab this, the prompt is in the description. You can change it for whatever your context is. You're a fifth grade teacher, you're a seasoned teacher, things like that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me, how is ChatGPT making you more efficient and proficient in creating lessons and ideas for your classroom? Thank you so much for watching.